Hello everyone. We are excited to introduce our Nowcasting solution, an innovative dashboard designed to provide real-time, accurate estimates of US GDP growth, empowering businesses and investors to make faster, better informed decisions. As we all know, GDP data is released quarterly, but the delay in its availability, often by over a month, creates a significant lag in decision making. Businesses and investors are forced to act on outdated information, which can impact profitability and strategic planning. Our solution, Nowcasting, leverages high-frequency economic indicators such as monthly data on consumption, employment, and inflation to provide real-time GDP estimates. This allows decision makers to react faster and more accurately to current economic conditions long before official GDP reports are available. Our Nowcasting solution is designed for a variety of users. For central bank economists, Nowcasting allows for timely adjustments to interest rates and monetary policies, reducing the informational lag. This helps them to implement more effective policy interventions during periods of economic stress. For risk analysts at commercial banks, by integrating Nowcasting into their risk models, banks can adjust loan interest rates based on real-time economic conditions, staying ahead of potential downturns and making more accurate forecasts for loan defaults. For investment strategies at hedge funds, Nowcasting helps optimize investment portfolios by predicting economic trends. This enables better informed decisions about asset allocation and market timing during volatile market conditions.
Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through our GDP Nowcasting dashboard. The dashboard currently consists of three tabs. The current Nowcast tab, which displays the latest GDP growth forecast for 2025 Q1, as well as the time travel tab that lets users simulate forecasts at any point in history, and the model comparison tab that shows how different models perform across the full historical timeline. Beginning with the current Nowcast tab. Here you can select from 4 models, or 2 bridge models as well as the benchmark models, and see their real-time forecasts plotted alongside actual GDP. Over here, you can also see that the bridge models are able to produce multiple flash estimates of the GDP for the current quarter as compared to the benchmark models. If we were to go below, on the left, notice that the ADL bridge model predicts a negative GDP growth, which aligns with the Atlanta Fed's forecast. And on the right, we have the monthly variable release table, which shows which indicators were used in the bridge model and their most recent release date as well as their forecast range. Let's now move on to our time travel tab. This feature allows users to generate forecasts as if they were back in time. For instance, let's go back to the 2008 global financial crisis to see how the models would have performed. Let's also see how the models would have performed during the 2020 COVID recession period. As you can see, in both events, our bridge models have outperformed the benchmark models, which is pretty useful for stress testing. With the model comparison tab, which gives a long-term view of model accuracy by comparing predictions against actual GDP across the full historical dataset. Over here, we have the GDP growth over time, followed by the actual versus predicted models. And for the final plot, we have the same comparison excluding the COVID period.